you? When was the last time you cleaned your brushes, huh? Are they looking a little something like this? What is so hard? Well, that's no good. That's not gonna do. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Lish. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification button below. Today I am going to be discussing why you need to keep your brushes clean and the quickest, easiest, best way to do that. But first, let's talk about why you need to keep your brushes clean. For starters, your brushes will be in better condition and last longer. Point number 2, you get better application, it's smoother, it's creamier, it's more blended, and the third and best reason, you keep your brushes germ-free, so no pink eye, no mouth herpes, no lawsuits. All right, so how do you get this wonderful, amazing, clean, easy brush? Well, you're gonna need 3 things. You're gonna need some paper towel, you're gonna need a tin for solution. And what is this magical solution, you may be asking? Why, that is the Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner, professional grade, 99.99% bacteria free. This stuff is amazing. I picked this up with the tin for $25 at Sephora, and I regret nothing. All you do is you take a little bit of the product and you fill it up to honestly only about here. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. And you just dip it very quickly. You take it out and rub it on your napkin or your paper towel. And then it's ready to go. Before and after, what a difference that made. And there you have it. Clean brushes that you can use without infecting yourself or anyone else. So I'd say that's a pretty big win. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, ring the notification bell so that way you never miss an update. In this way, you will always be tuned in for more cool content like this. Thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful week, a wonderful weekend, and as always, stay fabulous. Bye.